fxy equals to x squared plus y squared to the power of 3 over 2. So for this question, to differentiate with respect to x, we need to use general power rules because we have a function to the power of n. So to differentiate fx to the power of n, we need to bring down the n, copy down the function, the power minus 1, and differentiate our function. So using this rule, what we have to do is bring down the power, copy down x squared plus y squared. The power minus 1 is 1 over 2, and differentiate x squared with respect to x is 2x. Differentiate y squared with respect to x is 0 because y squared is a constant. So we're going to get, simplify this 3 over 2 with 2x is 3x set x squared plus y squared. So that is for f sub x. So let us find f sub y. Same goes like f sub x. We also need to use the general power rules, except that we need to differentiate with respect to y. So let's use the general power rules. Bring down the power, copy down the function x squared plus y squared. The power minus 1 is 1 over 2, and differentiate x squared with respect to y is 0 because x squared is constant. Differentiate y squared with respect to y is 2y. So simplify 3 over 2 times 2y is 3y set times with set x squared plus y squared. So that's it.